All right, if we're going to solve the triangle GFH, we kind of go through our checklist. First, check to see if this is a right triangle, and it's not. The next thing we look for is a pair. And since we do have this pair for h's, then we can use law of sines. Law of sines says the sine of h over side h is the same as the sine of f over side f. 1/715. If I multiply both sides of the equation by 115 and then head over to the calculator, we'll see that the sine of f is going to be 0.561. To get rid of sine, of course, we take the inverse sine of sine of f, and then we'll take the inverse sine of 0.561. When we do that, inverse sine and sine will cancel, and we see that f is 34.186. So we'll put that in, 34.186 degrees. Now, since I have two of the three angle measures, I'll subtract them from 180 degrees. That'll leave us with 125.813 or 814 degrees. To find the last side, we'll use law of sines again, using the same sine of 20 degrees over 70. Now we'll just move on to angle G. So the sine of angle G, that 125.814 over side G. To solve this, we'll cross multiply. So G times the sine of 20 is equal to 70 sine of 125. And then just divide both sides by the sine of 20 degrees. Head over to calculator to calculate that, and we'll see that G is 165.968. And the triangle is completely solved. It's a good idea to kind of check to see if the answers make sense, and just a real quick glance, the smallest angle, 20 degrees, is paired with the smallest side. The biggest angle is paired with the biggest side. So it looks good to me.